All natural ways to remove stains from clothing. Everyone has experienced the agony of staining one of their favorite shirts or pants. Harsh chemicals aren't always the greatest option, but do natural stain removers actually work? You probably didn't even realize that your cabinets are full of natural items you can use to remove stains. Today's video is all about how to remove difficult stains naturally without using chemical cleaners. Here are some of the most effective natural stain removers. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda has a variety of purposes, but it excels in cutting through and removing stubborn stains. Because baking soda is somewhat alkaline, it can cut through resistant stains such as grease, oil, gravy, and even vomit. 2. White vinegar. White vinegar may be used to remove practically any stain and is a great alternative to chemical-based treatments. Vinegar, when combined with water, is ideal for washing away difficult and bright stains. All you need is some dishwasher soap, an ice cube, and vinegar to remove any tomato-based stains. Start with soaking the stain and gently rubbing in some dishwasher detergent. Next, massage the stain with an ice cube as if you were scrubbing it out. Blot any lingering stains with vinegar. The vinegar's acidity will cut through any remaining stains. Continue to wash as usual after this is done. 3. Salt. Salt is an excellent natural stain remover that can be found practically any place, making it the greatest option if you spill something in public. Pour salt over the stain and set aside for a few minutes to allow the salt to absorb all of the grease, then wipe the stain with a moist cloth and your garment should be as good as new. 4. Lemon juice. Although lemon juice is a good stain remover, it should be treated with caution since it has qualities similar to bleach. It is, nevertheless, an excellent cleaning agent, especially on white clothing. Lemon juice may be used to erase stains such as ice cream, baby food, and berry stains that are particularly difficult to remove. To remove a stain, cover it with lemon juice, then, depending on how terrible the stain is, let the lemon juice sit for 30 minutes. Then rinse and wash as usual. 5. Dish soap. Dish soap is actually rather effective at removing stains. Because it is intended to break down grease and oil, it is excellent for eliminating stains left by oily or fatty foods. Dish soap may also be used to remove grass stains when combined with hydrogen peroxide. To remove stains using dish soap, pour a tiny quantity over the stain and scrub it with a brush or sponge, then rinse and wash as usual. Another alternative is to soak the entire item in soapy water for a few hours before rinsing and washing as usual. 6. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer may be used to remove stains, and it works best on protein-based stains like blood, vomit, or essentially any body fluid. To remove a stain, dampen the affected area and sprinkle some meat tenderizer on top. Let your garments lie for half an hour before washing as usual. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.